Monitor detection issues are among the most common problems with Anker docking stations, affecting 15 to 20% of users. These issues can be frustrating, but most can be resolved with systematic troubleshooting. The first and most critical step is cable verification. Cable quality is often the primary failure point in monitor detection issues. Always use certified cables that support data, power, and video transmission simultaneously. Step 2 is to power cycle all devices. Unplug the docking station, monitor, and host device. Wait 10 seconds, then reconnect everything. This simple step resolves many temporary connection glitches. Step 3 is to bypass the docking station entirely. Connect your monitor directly to your laptop or computer. If the monitor works with a direct connection, the issue is with the docking station or its configuration. Step 4 is updating your drivers. Ensure both graphics and USB drivers are current. Outdated drivers are a frequent cause of monitor detection failures. Windows 11 users should be particularly aware of potential display driver conflicts, especially with version 22, H2, and later. Finally, verify that your host device supports the necessary standards. Your device must have USB-C with DisplayPort Alt Mode or Thunderbolt support. Check that your setup has sufficient bandwidth for your desired resolution. Following these 5 steps resolves approximately 60% of monitor detection issues. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced configuration becomes necessary. The first step is adjusting your display settings for optimal performance. Bandwidth limitations are a critical factor, especially with multiple monitors. Different USB standards provide varying data transfer rates, which directly impact display capabilities. Not all USB-C ports are created equal. Testing different ports on your device can reveal performance variations that affect monitor detection. EDID, or Extended Display Identification data, facilitates communication between your monitor and docking station. Resetting this data can resolve detection issues. Firmware updates address compatibility issues, particularly with newer devices and operating systems. Regular updates are essential for optimal performance. Prevention is key to avoiding future issues. Invest in certified cables and accessories to ensure quality and reliability. Document successful configurations for future reference and maintain backup connection methods for critical workflows. This ensures continuity when issues arise. By implementing these advanced solutions and prevention strategies, you can resolve most Anker docking station monitor detection issues and maintain a stable, productive setup.